When you first turn on your EV charger, you should have a solid green light like this. You'll need to go to the App Store, find the ZBox app and download it. From there, you should be able to log in, then find the EV charger, log into it, then go to Settings, Firmware Upgrade, and Firmware Update the EV charger. This should take between 5 to 10 minutes to upgrade the firmware on the EV charger. And once that's done, you should hear the EV charger beep. From there, you can go and press the big red emergency stop button, turn off the AC isolator, press the little red leak detection button and turn on the AC isolator. Hold that button in until you hear the EV charger beep. You'll then need to go to your Wi-Fi settings and locate the EV charger, which starts with EVSE. Connect to that and put in the password, which is 12345678, and join the network. From there, you'll need to go to a web browser and type in 192.168.1.1. You'll then come into a login page and the password is the same, 12345678. You will then need to click on Network Configuration, change the site to Wi-Fi Custom, enter the Wi-Fi SSID exactly how it is on the modem, and enter the Wi-Fi password. From there, you need to scroll to the bottom and press Save. Press the back arrow, go to Central System Configuration, and enter the endpoint URL. This can be sent to you directly. I've saved mine in my notes to make it a little bit easier. Please ensure that the last 9 digits after WebSocket is the customer's EV charger serial number. From there, you'll need to enter the custom vendor information. We are currently entering in the single phase charger point model, which is P-IS-EVC-7400-1PH. The charge point vendor is iStore, lowercase I, capital S-T-O-R-E. Then press Save. From there, you'll go back. You'll go to RFID configuration. You will then need to enable OCPP plug and charge and also the RFID unique ID. If it doesn't populate one, you can enter the serial number as I am doing now. Once you finish putting in the unique RFID code, you can scroll down, press Save, then press the back arrow one last time and select Exit Web Configuration. From there, you should be able to pull out the big red emergency stop button and the light will go blue.